Hi, Alison here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip. This time it's a spotlight on rhododendrons. May really is rhododendron month here in the southeast of England, and I visited Riverhill Himalayan Gardens at Sevenoaks in Kent to see these hardy flowering shrubs in all their splendour. Of course, most of us in our gardens won't be growing something quite as large as this, but rhododendrons, different varieties, range in height from the size of a house to barely a metre in all directions when mature. So do a bit of research before you set out shopping and check labels for the ultimate height and spread of the plant you're considering. Gardeners generally refer to the evergreen shrubs with large leaves and flowers in shades of pink and red and mauve as rhododendrons, and those with deciduous leaves where they drop in the autumn and flowers in cream, orange and yellow as azaleas. Most of these deciduous azaleas will not grow taller than 2 metres, so are great for a small garden, and, most importantly, they can have an absolutely fantastic fragrance. Most people know that rhododendrons are in the group of plants known as ericaceous, and this is generally taken to mean you have to have an acid soil, such as the sand listed here, in order to grow them successfully. This is really a little bit simplistic, and they can be grown perfectly well in a pH neutral soil, such as clay, which is holding water and nutrients, and particularly if you add a handful, according to the instructions, of an ericaceous or rhododendron fertiliser in the spring and a good mulch of organic matter. If you have a chalky soil, this is extremely alkaline, and in those cases, in order to enjoy these fantastic spring shrubs, you will have to use an ericaceous compost and rhododendron fertiliser and grow them in a pot. You certainly couldn't describe many rhododendrons as subtle, but what a joy on a bright sunny spring day.
There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!